What's going on, legends? We're out again, down on the beautiful ocean. This video is a little bit different. I'm not actually doing a video today. Me and Bailey, we're cleaning up the beach. This is a massive thanks to Mr. Beast, YBS, a lot of YouTubers have been doing it now. Teamseas, let's do it. $1 donated, £1 out of the ocean. I haven't got much money. I'm gonna put $100 in, and yeah, I'm gonna clean up the beach for the next couple of hours. Me and Bailey, just gonna walk along, pick up some trash. We've already picked up some. Complaining there's a storm in the background, but we'll keep going. I have put a few videos together, a few little clips of why I love the ocean so much and the experiences I've had. So whilst I pick up some trash, check out the next, it's only a couple of minutes, but there's a lot of interactions with sharks, sea animals, just generally being around the ocean. And it's probably why I'm also always so happy, because I'm always by the ocean. So watch the next couple of minutes, guys. We're going to pick up some trash for the next couple of hours. I'll get back to you, but check out the next 2 minutes. Yo, what do we reckon of that? That is probably the last 8 years. A few of the key moments for me. You know, some great whites in there, there's some tiger sharks in there, some bull sharks. Just honestly, the love I have for the ocean. I'm glad there's some awareness on it now. There's a lot of guys that do the right thing, but there's still a few that don't. So there's not actually too much trash on this beach. It's a popular beach. So I'm going to go to a few of my fishing spots that I know that if I just go there just trash collecting, I'll be able to collect quite a bit. So yeah, stay with me for a little while. Yeah, I reckon we'll move spots. That storm is coming through, but that's got no dramas. Bailey's helping, not really, but yeah, we picked up a few cans and bottles and plastic bags along here. I think that's what people's just left behind, not thrown away as such. It's bloody beautiful out here, guys. Come out, experience the ocean. If you don't, then you need to, and if you already do, come out some more, because we all need a bit of the ocean, but the ocean needs us more than ever now. It really does. There is 5 garbage patches out in the ocean. One of them is twice the size of France. That's all plastic. But this Teamseas have come up with some techniques on collecting a lot of this plastic, and they reckon by, I think it's the next 17 years, they reckon they can clear up 90% of that plastic, but they need our help. So look, guys, I'm not saying donate, I'm not one of them people to say give some money, but if you have got something to spare, put it towards it. I'll pop it the link in the description. It doesn't go anything towards me, it goes straight to a website, doesn't affiliate anything towards me. And if you haven't got much, can't even donate 10 bucks, then bring the family, bring the animals, bring the kids, and come down and just pick up a little bit of trash, because honestly every little bit does help. The little small plastics, the big pieces, everything. So yeah, I won't leave the video here. I'll talk to you when I'm doing a bit more trash collecting at a few of my other spots. But yeah, just little things like that. It's going to end up in a bird, a turtle, and it's, yeah, polystyrene or some sort of packaging. So guys, help me, help the ocean, help everyone. Special thanks to honestly Mr. Beast, who started this all up. He's got a few YouTubers doing this now, and he's donated himself $100,000. So that's 100,000 pounds of trash out of the ocean. See you soon, guys. Morning, legends. This is day 2 of the cleanup. Yesterday a storm came through, so I really couldn't get as much as I wanted to. So I've dropped off Bailey, picked up Millie, she's in the back there, and we've got 2 big sacks. I've come to my local river, and yeah, we're going to pick up a lot of trash. I've come down here fishing a bit, and I've picked up a bit of trash when I come with me, but I didn't even bring a fishing rod. We just brought 2 big bags, and let's start picking up all this crap. Might not have been caused by plastic, but this is why we've got to do a lot. Bait bags, snakes and spiders in there. Take that with us. There's no holes in that, we could probably reuse that one. Yo guys, alright, we're wrapping it up now. It's taken us only probably about an hour. We picked up all of this crap. Heaps of it. So yeah, we're gonna go and get rid of that. Go through it a little bit, recycle as much as we can. But that's where I'm gonna wrap it up, guys. You know the score. Like, subscribe, keep the beaches clean. Ciao for now.